First, select Products and Items. Then select Products and Items again. To add a new menu item, click Add Menu Item button. Name your new item. For example, broccoli and cheddar soup. You can add a secondary name. You can give it a description, a kitchen print name. Next, you'll add it to a category. You can also add the menu item to the subcategory level. You'll need to select the category that the subcategory is under, then select the subcategory. Next, you'll select the measuring type, such as menu item, scale, open item, or serving size. Select the serving size from the drop-down and set the price. When selecting serving size as a measuring type, you must select the serving size, set the price, add a new serving size, click the serving size level button, set the price for this serving size. You can inherit settings from the subcategory. You can also restrict service types so this menu item does not print. You can hide the button from the POS, hide it from online ordering, or hide it from the kiosk. You can make the item an EBT menu item or add it to the 86 list. You can change the color of the display button or add a picture from your hard drive or gallery. You can set an applicable time period for this menu item from the drop-down. Once complete, click Save and Publish to the POS.